We're here today at South Essex College to deliver a Forensic Science Day to the BTEC students who are studying forensic science, public services and applied science. So we've got a mixed group of people here today.
It's always good for them to have the extra opportunities, and so therefore they can put into practice what they may have learned previously, and then they can go on to develop those skills when we really don't always have time to be able to do this. So this is a fantastic opportunity for them.
It gives them the options of the different disciplines which are available within the forensic science industry, and probably about 120 to 150 different disciplines.
We've been using fingerprint analysis, UV lighting, blood splatter samples at the moment as well. Kind of gives me a little bit of more insight and sort of, I guess, knowledge about the forensic science and everything about it, really.
We were presented with a crime scene, as you can see. It was a man that had been killed, had no obvious injuries, and 3 suspects.
So today basically what we've done is we've actually been looking at the science of DNA. So we've looked at hair strands, what that can actually, how much you can tell from that. We've been looking at bottoms of the shoe, so what that can tell you, so shoe size, what pattern, what were they wearing at the time. We've looked at fingerprints, which was absolutely amazing, and we've been comparing and seeing what fingerprints we've got and what our friends have got, just to sort of get an idea of, if we were in this line of work, what would we look for if someone touched glass.
They've learnt about the processes and applications used in a crime scene investigation. So they applied what they learnt from the morning session directly to the afternoon session, and it made it real. They take the scenario very seriously. They're very, very methodical in terms of what they're doing. And they are totally engaged. So it's sort of raising their aspirations, if you like.
This is really a test of our ability of, well, can we identify the different types of DNA? Can we identify by the hair strands, the fingerprints, the footprints, the blood? And it's our ability to gather the evidence and really prove to the guys that have shown us what we're doing today throughout the day, can we do it?
If they wanted to be a CSI, you don't necessarily need a degree. So that's the person who's out in the field, who's preserving, like they were doing this afternoon, preserving, gathering the actual key forensic evidence. To be a forensic scientist, you would need a degree. So that's the person in the lab who's really analysing that data.
I'll be honest, I was sceptical about coming to it this morning because obviously I didn't know how I was going to perform, but I tell you what, the support has been amazing. Coming to an event like this, I would 100% advise it to anyone and everyone. I'm on my first year of public services, I've still got another year, but if it's on next year, I'm coming back because I love it. I've learned so much.
Yeah, no, it's so rewarding, because obviously it's well and good looking at it on a PowerPoint in a classroom, but to be able to get a real feel of what it's like, it's just absolutely incredible.